How to use promo code on Temu app. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, head over to your Temu application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will reach on this home page of Temu. Once done, you need to head towards Use section at bottom center of the screen. Here you will get coupons and offer option. Select that. After waiting for a while, you will see enter coupon code option at top of the screen. If you have got coupons and offer, you need to simply enter the coupon code and tap on apply button. And once you have entered, you can simply buy some product from the application at the time of checkout. Then you can get discounts according to your coupon code. Also, you will receive certain amount of discounts or the offers and then you'll be good to go. So these promo codes are usually used for discounts and offers. Apply it in order to have some benefits. So in this way, you can simply use coupon codes on Temu app or promo codes on Temu. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.